is Romper. We're going to start with the same lace embroidery technique. You're going to do the first few scallops on one side, and then we're going to add a second layer of lace. So just do the same exact thing. Start pulling in towards the center. So we have two layers of the lace embroidery sleeves. You're going to repeat the same technique on the other side. Now we're going to outline the top portion of the romper.
When you're done flooding this top portion, you want to set it in front of a fan and let it dry or crust over for about 15 to 20 minutes. And then you'll bring it out and start the next section. So for the bottom part of this romper, I used the same consistency for outlining and filling in. So this is the same flood consistency, just with a lighter pressure for the outline and then a bigger squeeze, more pressure to fill it in. And then you're going to do the same where you want this to dry in front of the fan before we go and add our details.
For the details, I added 3 dots in a row. For the second row, I just go in between the first cluster from the previous row. And then you would just repeat this pattern all the way down. You can do this pattern or you can not do this pattern. It's up to you. You can leave it smooth. It looks cute the same way. Um, and then at the very end, I'm adding 3 dots for the buttons and a little ribbon. And you can add a bow if you want. And then we can take a damp brush and just kind of flatten out the little pointy parts of the dots if you have any. So for the finishing touch, you can add a rosette and some leaves.